Today we went to a classic car show, so off we go in our Austin 1100 called Austin. Going down the nearly freshly I suppose it is freshly tarmac, just not the smooth coat yet, so we've got a few bumps to dodge. We arrived there quite early so then we can get you a clear shot of all the cars, and as you can see it is pretty damn clear. No people around. So there's some absolutely stunning cars here, and just amazing how immaculate they are and how people just donate so much of their time to do them and make sure they're clean and running well, and the interior and the outside. I mean, it's just like a job every single day, and they manage it amazingly and they do it wonderfully, and we met some very good characters today, as you shall see inside the full video. I like your teddies.
Yeah,
Really? So, that's fair, yeah.
I always thought they were big cars for the...
Yeah, it's electrical. But it's, I mean, the whole combo.
Yeah, and then when it came with the black engine, we could have had a black engine, depends on
And that's what I daily driver. Daily driver. Yeah. After you.
Thank you. Happy? I just got a good photo of a bike with a man next to it.
I got a good photo of a bike with a man sat on it, and I bet you it's the same bike.
Ah, right.
We'll have to.
Did you give him a
compare
business
photos.
card?
Pardon?
Did you give him a business card?
No, I didn't.
Oh, well, I gave him a business card, so I'm all good.
Oh, right. Well, I'll go give him a business card then. I'll go try and ride his bike.
Right, well, you know, I'll do something else. I'll put a dog on top of it.
I'll buy it. So you didn't get your little car into your car show?
It's not my fault.
Oh, really? I remember this one from last year.
Yes, I do.
And they put a seatbelt across so you can't get in.
Ah,
And drive it off.
Yeah, I remember you, yeah. Oh yeah, I used to be, yeah.
Yeah. Little look.
You brought your lovely car again.
Yeah, you bought me car again,
Yeah.
yeah.
Looking wonderful.
How have you been?
Okay, thank you.
Good.
Yeah.
How was the day? Yeah, yeah.
All that.
I see you brought your teddies.
I'm going to bring my babies out now.
Yeah, are you bringing them out now?
I'm bringing my babies out now.
And what's both of your names?
Judy and David Baker.
Right. And this is your car. Does your car have a name?
No, it doesn't have a name.
Have you not named
no,
your
we
car?
haven't named it. No.
No.
This
What
is
would you name it?
Purple Ronnie.
Purple Ronnie.
So is that a type of car? Or?
No, it's
No,
just
no.
it's just a silly name, really.
Right, so it's the purple Ronnie. We'll have to get you a little sign plate and everything. And so what type of car is this?
Porsche 911.
Porsche 911. How long have you had it for?
20 years.
20 years. How old is it?
1995.
Wow, have you
looks
been anywhere
brilliant.
special in it?
Yes, we've been all over the place. We've gone a lot of Porsche runs and Porsche weekends away.
Silverstone.
Silverstone Classic. A lot of the classic things we've gone
Yeah.
to. Yes.
Is it quite reliable?
Oh,
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Have you ever
quite
broken
reliable.
down?
No.
No, we haven't.
Ours has, we did.
Touch wood.
Only once, we got 200 yards out and broke down by the co-op, but
Oh,
at least
dear.
it didn't go far. And thank you for showing us your wonderful car.
Thank you. And all these four are from the Lancashire Porsche Club.
Right, that's brilliant, thank you. Have a great day.
Well, thank you.
It's immaculate, isn't it?
Very cool.
Is that your normal job? Born and bred.
What type of car is it?
It's a 1969 MGB GT,
And how long have you had it?
probably about 10 years.
And have you done any like repairs on it and stuff?
It was rescued basically from a scrap dealer
Wow, really?
when I got it. Yeah, there
Oh,
was,
so it was going for scrap?
it was going for scrap.
Oh gosh,
But
well done you.
most of the rear end of it had rotted away, and I just saw an opportunity and got it.
Have you done this yourself then, the
All been
restoration?
done at home. Yeah. it's
Have
all
you?
been done at home.
Wow, well done you.
Yeah.
And did you have any experience before?
Well, I grew up, my dad was a mechanic, worked for AA when I was
Right.
growing up, and when I left home, the first thing I bought was an old car, so yeah, I've been doing it for quite a long time now.
I bet you're very proud of it, I would be.
Yeah, I have some more cars at home, so but yeah.
It's very tidy. Is this like original or did you like change it up a bit? Am I right, Stuff?
Very little of it is actually original. I mean, the seat frames
Is it
are that
original? For,
original.
Like, the car?
The car itself, from up to about here, is pretty much original. The back end is one I had to make a new back end for it. Most of the dashboard's original, but the seats have all been recovered and obviously not original carpets. So yeah, I mean there is a lot of original parts in it, but there were a lot that couldn't be saved as well.
But is it like in keeping to like not that type of car?
Well, yeah, I mean there is another one, a red one over there, so you'll be able to see the similarities.
Yeah.
But when I did it, they're quite a popular car, so I thought there was enough of them on the planet to make this one a bit different.
Yeah, yeah.
So that's what we
So you
did.
put your own stamp on it?
Yeah.
I like your blue seat belts and it matches very well with your seats. Your seats look very nice. And your paintwork. I mean, you got very nice mirrors as well, haven't you?
Yeah, if you want to go.
Oh, sure. I like rolling into people.
Don't go driving off, Matilda.
No, but I could drive off. Would you let me drive it off?
As long as you came back.
You haven't seen a drive, I take it.
Maybe I won't let you drive off then.
I mean, I could drive. It's very immaculate, isn't it? How do you keep it so clean and tidy? And
I spend a lot of time cleaning it. I am married. It's our 30-year wedding anniversary this year. I think no, to my wife. And we've actually probably spent about 5 years together in all that time. So, yeah.
it's very tidy. Very nice. Thank you.
Well, thank you very much for that.
All right, no problem.
I hope you have a great day.
I will do.
What radio in there?
Yeah, well, that, if you look it down there, there's a little screen.
Oh.
I mean, obviously it shouldn't have anything like that because of its age, but I just thought you could get.
You've done all the rest of
maps
the
on
work,
it
you
and
might as well
all
have a
sorts,
little radio in there, might you?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
All right.
I know. We said the years ago.
Yeah, definitely.
Well, you're just a custodian, mate. That's what it is. We have always been to plastic stuff, and it's just.
Peter. Oh yes, you said sorry. Yes, Peter. So you've got this lovely vehicle with you today.
Yes.
So what have you brought it along for?
It's for the vintage by the sea.
So people can have a look at it.
Yes.
And is it yours?
Yes.
Is it yours? And you just showed me a picture of what it used to look like just before.
Yeah, that one there. Yeah, that's when it was found in the orchard.
So this particular bus was found.
This is it. That's the exact one. That's the whole thing as it stands.
Wow, that's absolutely incredible, isn't it? How did you do that? Did you do this yourself or did you get help?
No. The guy that had it in the beginning, who
Yeah.
found it and everything else, he's the one who did it all.
Okay.
But all I've done to it really is actually refined it all. He's done the hard work getting it all together, and I've just made it better.
So how long have you had it for?
About 12 months now.
Oh, so not really long.
Not really that long. No.
Do you take passengers?
Pardon?
Do you take passengers?
Depends.
Right.
It depends on what it is and who it is.
Right.
Because you've got to remember, like, it's nearly 100 years old.
Yeah.
So it's one of them sort of vehicles that, like, I've been asked to do weddings and things like that, but how can you tell a girl on a
Wedding day, it's broken
wedding
down.
day that I've broken down? Like, you know,
And you haven't got a backup bus.
No, well, we've got backup buses, but not vintage ones, just ordinary ones. But yeah.
Oh, I like your little two side bits where it goes off to the side.
Those leaflets that you see on the side there, they're actually genuine ones. Actually, you know, from that era. They're not copies or nothing. They're actually genuine.
Very clean and tidy, isn't it?
Well, it's like I say, a lot of work's gone into it since I've had it. I've tried to make it better than what it was, which I have done. So.
Back door. Lovely door handle, isn't it? You know how you lift it up.
Yeah. You can't miss it, can you?
Open your door. Is it locked?
No, it's not locked.
Can I open it?
Yeah, go on.
Let's give it a go. Oh! Oh, it's easy to open, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's very smoothly run. Look at that. Let's bring it back in again. Oh, that's a piece of cake, isn't it?
Well
It's
done.
very
you.
smooth. Look at that. You can open it again and again. Probably open that many times till we get broken. Oh, wow. That's
Well,
great.
it's not been broken in 100 years, so please don't break it.
Well, they might need to open it. Oh, that's very good. Oh, and look at your little hinges as well. Look.
Oh, they're great, aren't they? Absolutely great.
Oh, you've got a good door there.
You've got a good door, she says on your bus. Well done, you.
That takes some
And
doing.
nobody's ever said that.
That takes some doing, love.
Right, are we off to next one?
Yep, see what else we can see. A lovely bus, lovely bus. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Anytime.
Bye. Have a great day.
So, I'm putting it there in gorilla. Yes, I think they're rare, aren't I like that whole one.